Hello everyone! Welcome to new tutorial video of Epic Learn. Today, I will show you how to get CapCut to your PC. Now CapCut is officially launched for computers. Okay, let's go to the video. First, open the Microsoft App Store in your PC. It takes some time. Then search CapCut in the search bar. You can see CapCut with icon in search list. Then click it. Now click on the Install button. CapCut size is nearly 371 megabytes. It gets some time to download and install. Please wait for it.
Feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.
After install completed, you can open the app. After open the app, it takes time to check your computer compatibility. Then click Confirm. Now you can see Start page of CapCut. Click on the Start Creating to create new project. Now you can see CapCut interface. Now you can add text, stickers, effects, transitions, filters, and adjustments. You can import media from your files by clicking Import icon. We will meet at the next video. Thank you.
Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all got